So here's a short video to show you how to use the new function of Smart Sync at in Dropbox. Okay, so if we go to Dropbox and we see here, this is the stock creation folder. Let's open it in a new window. Okay, so you see these files are uploading. You see this sign. This is for the Smart Sync. So if I click here, so all of these files, I can see these files, but they are not like downloaded on my computer, just the names of these computers. So when I click over here at the folder, right click and go to Smart Sync, see it says offline only. So that way I can see the files and download only the specific files. And if I say local, it will start downloading on my computer. So in your case, when I share files with you, and for especially for naming, you don't have to download all the files. You can keep them at offline only. That way you can still access the file names. And for example, if I click from here till here for the file names, Command C, and then what I do is, let me open a sheet. Okay, always open OpenOffice. When this comes, click here and then OK. So for example, this is a sheet. So I did not download the files. The files are still on the server, online only, as I told you. So I just come here and see. So without downloading the files, I'm able to copy the names of the files and everything. So that saves a lot of time of download and upload. And then the only thing that you need to upload are the CSV files. Discard. I hope you can understand this. Let me give you another example. Here you go. So let's make it big. So again, these are the new files that I'm uploading. Okay. So this one, for example, I just went and I clicked here and I said, okay, I just want these files. So these files it's downloading. The rest of them are all online. Okay. You right click on the file and go to Smart Sync. You see it's online only. So that way you don't have to download the files. You just have to once I share the Dropbox folder, you will have a pop-up here, add to Dropbox. Once it adds to your Dropbox, right click the folder, whichever folder it is, and for example this one either I already shared, right click it and make it, sorry I have a lot of things going on, but right click and just make it Smart Sync. Okay, like for example this one, not sure also. So yeah, anyways, you have to just right click it and make it Smart Sync, and then it's sorted. Like for example, I have other stuff here, which this one is local only. So it's syncing with the Dropbox at the moment. So this is the process of using Smart Sync to Dropbox new. It's a new feature that they gave, and that way you can just copy the files without downloading them. And this is especially for the sheets, because you don't have to download everything and stuff like that, and yeah, so this makes things easier, faster and better. Okay, thank you so much, and wish you all the best.